I found this chair thrifting this weekend. It is a Lazy Boy recliner. On the resale markets, I looked up, this is selling for $700, close to $1,000. And if you're buying a Chesterfield style tuft back chair in general, they can run thousands of dollars. So this was a good find. It's just got a little bit of ding wear on the leather, and there was a hole here, so we're going to fix it up, bring it back to life, and I'm going to use it in another project.